Hello and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Friend, what we've achieved is mind-blowing. We've developed proprietary artificial intelligence that lets you create completely automated and done-for-you coupon affiliate websites loaded with 60,000 coupons in just seconds. Just picture what it would be like to have your coupon affiliate website at the top of Google. How easy would it be to get massive free traffic flowing in like a broken dam to your coupon affiliate websites? Coupon sites are one of those great internet-based models. You don't need to create a physical or digital product to sell. In fact, there are no deliverables in this business whatsoever. Plus, it's super easy to build goodwill with your coupon site's visitors because you're not selling anything. In fact, you're giving them discounts on items they already want to purchase. If that interests you, if you're looking for a change in 2022, then it's crucial for you to pay close attention for the next couple of minutes. So please, shut off Facebook, Instagram, email, and all other distractions. Fair enough? Okay. It's no doubt that the coupon craze continues to grow and rise to new heights. According to Velasas Communications, 90% of consumers are using coupons in one way or another. Hawk Incentives also revealed that 97% of consumers search for online coupons when purchasing something. A lot of big brands such as WikiBuy, Groupon, Radican, RetailMeNot are using coupon websites to make money online, and they make thousands of dollars every day using this business model. But we need to accept the truth. Creating a coupon affiliate website is a daunting task because it requires too much complicated coding knowledge and website design skills to make a working coupon website. People need to buy domain and expensive hosting to host coupon affiliate websites. You hesitate to burn your hard-earned money on hiring expensive freelance website creators. You're newbies and you don't have any affiliate account. You're afraid of getting denied to promote products in many affiliate programs. What if there was a brand new groundbreaking software that could create completely automated and done-for-you coupon affiliate websites loaded with 60,000 plus coupons in just seconds, plus guaranteed to get instant approval for 1,000 plus affiliate programs? A newbie-friendly app creates a profitable coupon affiliate website from scratch in just seconds. It's all thanks to Couponify. Couponify allows you to create completely automated and done-for-you coupon affiliate websites loaded with 60,000 plus coupons in just seconds. All you need to do is just enter your affiliate ID and choose your niche. Couponify will do the rest of the work for you. It works in 3 steps. Step 1, log into Couponify cloud-based software. Step 2, enter your affiliate ID and choose any coupon niche you want to place on your website. We have 1,000 plus affiliate programs, which will give you instant approval. Couponify app automatically creates a completely coupon affiliate website for you in just seconds and automatically embeds each coupon with your affiliate link. Step 3, run the included traffic software to drive 100% passive profits 24/7. After you pick up your copy of Couponify, you can have a fully functional site loaded with 60,000 coupons and high-quality content that's optimized for Google. And it's all smooth sailing from there. If you're tired of going nowhere and want some change, then Couponify is the shortcut you've been searching for. In fact, we sold this offer on a webinar for $997. And you know what? Dozens took us up on it because they knew how fast Couponify would pay for itself. They knew Couponify was their turning point. However, we know that $997 is a lot of money to put out front. We know what it's like to be in your shoes, which is why we're going to offer you Couponify at a price everyone can afford. You won't pay anywhere near $997. You won't pay $297, not $97, not even $47. Just the price of a pizza. But don't think about it and wait any longer. Listen, I know it's hard to get started with new things, especially if you've had a bad experience or two. But if you want to see success online, regardless if you get Couponify or not, you'll need to move forward and take action. And what's the risk? You're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. There's no way for you to lose here. Click on the button below this video to get Couponify for the lowest price. We're excited to see you inside.